Hey guys, and welcome at Test and Review. Before we proceed with today's short tool review, I just want to kindly ask you to subscribe to my channel for further notifications and interesting videos. Don't forget to hit the bell notification icon. I would love to see you also in the comments below. So it is Gadget tool set. Here is the description for this tool set. So players B material handle 3 pieces set CRV. Okay, it's been quite some time that I've seen this brand Gadget tools. I believe they're quite affordable, and now let me open the set and see how they feel. They have good design though, with the contrasting orange color. You can see them from far away. The material doesn't look the strongest, but I wouldn't expect it, especially for the price that I got them. They feel comfortable in the hand, and I also got this cheap adjustable wrench. Here it is, 200 millimeters adjustable wrench. I'm not sure how long this is going to last, of course, again considering the cheap price, but I just wanted to have it at home. So these are the Gadget tools that I bought today. I also bought a new toolbox, cheap toolbox, for around €8 or $10 or something like that. So I'll give them a try and let you know how they work. And you don't forget to check my other videos, so stay tuned and subscribe, and I'll see you later.